What we have here is a Rotrex Supercharger. This is one of the largest Rotrexes. The C38R is capable of up to 900 horsepower of airflow. This is a VZ. We normally do positive displacement superchargers in the valley, but the centrifugal superchargers are a fantastic way to go also, especially with a Rotrex, because the Rotrex is the latest technology in centrifugal superchargers. On the VZ Commodore, you can see the difference in horsepower before and after supercharging. So we've got, there's our horsepower figure. We've gone from 288 to 552, and our torque's gone from 427 to 727. So this system, we've also upgraded to an 8-rib drive belt. So this will ensure that all the ancillaries are driven off this one major belt. There's no belt slip or any problems like that. You can see this is actually the boost line. And we're still making, this is where we make 552 horsepower. Now down here, we've got about 2 pound of boost at 1800 RPM, and you'll get a linear boost increase. This is the beauty of the Rotrex superchargers. They have this linear increase right up to 9 pound or even more, depending on which pulley that you use. And the beauty of that is it gives you fantastic drivability. These things, you can drive them so gently in the wet because you're down in this area with the lower boost. And then when you really want to get going, you can get into this mid-range and top end and really get some big power increases.